Okay guys, I'm going to where they are molding blocks, like local blocks. So I don't know whether you have seen local blocks before, but if you have not seen, just follow me, let me show you. We are going, it's close to the stream. So okay, so I'm going to check where to mold local blocks. So in case you don't know, I will meet the people and then talk to them. So we are almost there. Don't worry. By the time they put it into these blocks, and then he will remove it. So he will remove it. Yeah, there you have your block there. So it will last for how many days?
Just 2 days.
2 days, and it will be ready for building. So this is the local way that they mold blocks, and this is what we do here. And you can do this in and build a zinc house, and you can build anything. So when you finish it, you need to clean it so that the mold will not be able to hang by the side. So once you put it, you remove it, it will just go easily without stress. So this is the local way of molding blocks here in Benue State, Nigeria. But I don't know how you made your blocks in your country or whatever you are. But in Benue State, this is how we do. You can see he's doing it. Now, this is how we do it. Yeah. So some of us, when we were little, we used to do this thing. Now the blocks are the sand is finished. We need to come where this is where the sand is. So now he will do it here, and he will pack it from this place. He will take it to where the father or the brother is molding. So he will add water on it. You add water on it, and then pack it and fold it there. So can you see local way of molding blocks? It's very simple and good. You know, it's not everybody that has money to buy cement. So you can do it locally, and I believe this is very strong. And this block you see here, the block you see here is very strong and heavy too. So by the time you build, sometimes even if they shoot gun on this thing, it won't penetrate because of the thickness of this block. So these are the benefits when you have local blocks. So this is made in Benue locally, when you don't have money to, to buy cement or do cement block. So you can do it locally. Sometimes when you want to get a room where you have coldness, like let me say a cold room, and you don't need to use AC. These are the blocks. This is the traditional way of molding blocks. Now look at this sand. This is the sand. It's very thick. It's very thick. Before they do anything, they'll have to use this. You have to use this hole. You have to use this hole. Come. You have to use this hole and then till the ground. They will till the ground and make it soft. So by the time they till the ground, they will water it. Maybe a day or after, they will come. Bring it close. Let me show you something. These are some people's legs. Show him here. These are people's legs. They match so that it will make it soft. So that when they come the next day, they will be able to do it. Now, one thing you must know in these molding blocks, in these local blocks, they only do it during the one thing you must know about this molding of these blocks, they only do it during dry season. So you cannot do it during rainy season because the rain will be disturbing, and it will take time for this thing to dry. So they only do it during rainy season. They only do it during dry season because it's best for dry season. So let me talk to the person to charge. So my friend, what's your name? Philip. Mr. Philip, how long have you been doing this?
It's just about 1 week now.
1 week. Yes. So how many blocks do you mold a day?
Maybe sometimes 200, but today I did not come to work early, so I mowed on 200.
So imagine sometimes he molds like 200. Today he just mowed 100. So are you planning to build here, or you're going to take it somewhere else?
No, they'll bring car from pack it.
Okay, you take it somewhere else.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, why do you decide to use this particular sand?
Because I don't have money to buy cement or bumblebee, so that's why I pick all this stuff.
Okay. So are you going to build a zinc house?
Yes.
Okay, zinc house. Wow, this is good. As you can see, this is just 200 per day, and today this is the one that they mowed. This is the one that I think they started from morning. Oh, but I think it started from morning.
Yes.
Look at this here. This is the one he just finished. He's still looking fresh. And look at this. This is the one he started early in the morning. And you can see it's dry. Look at this one. I think this one should be the one of yesterday or day before yesterday. You see, it's ready to pack up. Like this one you see here is ready to for building. So these are local blocks. So why don't you try it? Let me see how you do it in your state, in your country, or anywhere. So thank you.